guys, and welcome back to my channel, The Life of Brooke. So today I have some Diet Cola slime, or some Coca-Cola slime, and I made this with the World of Dylan, and it's supposed to be clear slime. Just hasn't cleared up that well. So. Not yet. I just made this today, so. But mine is just a tad bit overactivated, and I added too much green to the color, but we used Talissa Tossel's slime, clear slime recipes, so shout out to her. If she's watching, I would be amazed, because my YouTube channel actually isn't that great. But it's pretty small, but it's really stretchy actually. Makes really nice bubble pops, and it has a really nice texture. It's not that clicky. I want to melt it a little bit, but I use candy to melt my slime since like there's sugar in it. But I use these, and I only have like one left. Let me see if there are like crumbs in here though. Yeah, there are crumbs. So I'm gonna get some crumbs. Yep, that definitely worked. Pretty sure I got them out. So, I'm going to start to mix this. It's definitely getting stickier, which is good, so it'll be stretchier. It is stretchier now. It's just a little bit rippy. See, now it's clicky. I have a cut on my finger, so. Just trying to melt it a little more. So, yeah, it's really, definitely looks like Coke. I was trying to make Dr. Pepper slime, though. But I needed more red, and she said no more food dye, so I understand that, though. So yeah, I think it got better. So, I'll make a swirl for you. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed. Go check out Dylan's channel. Bye!